Hello and welcome to the April 2025 Paper Pumpkin unboxing. Isn't this a beautiful box this month? Let's see what we got for stamps. No, you can't read that. Let me grab a piece of cardstock. A little piece of cardboard. Thinking of you, congratulations, you are amazing. I'm here for you. To the happy couple, on your retirement, and sending my love. So those are the stamps. And we have a berry burst for our Stampin' Spot. Put this aside. Get out my snips. Ooh, look at the variegated gold in there. Isn't that pretty? These aren't cooperating this morning. Beautiful envelopes. They're all the same, but aren't they pretty? Stick those aside. And let's see what we've got for card fronts. These. One card. Two card. Three card. And we've got, it looks like banners for our sentiments and some dimensionals and hugs. Ooh, aren't those pretty? Aren't those pretty? So let's see what the three cards look like this month. I recycle this at the grocery store, do you? As soon as you walk in, there's a bucket, and everyone thinks it's just for your recycled grocery bags, but I put all my like cracker bags and cereal bags and that. So here are the three cards. Aren't they pretty? Alright, I'm going to pause and sort. Okay, I've got everything sorted. So we're going to start with card number 1. So I have card number 1, card number 2, card number 3. Just going to kind of put those aside just a little bit out of the way so we can stamp. So here are our directions. That one's in the way, isn't it? Okay. So here's our card base. And I have the little hugs. And I have this little sentiment piece. And it wants me to stamp, I'm here for you. So I'm using my big pad instead of the little one. It's just easier than opening it right now. And I'm going to ink that up and stamp it. There we go. Close it up. And it wants me to take my little mini dimensionals, and we're going to put some on the back of hugs, and I'm here for you. Now it also wants me to stamp, pull the ink out again. Can you see the little butterflies that they want me to stamp? So I have my little one here, and I'm just going to stamp a couple here. And then this one goes down here. Okay. I'm going to keep that out because it's on every card. I'm going to put the dimensionals on the back of here. So it wants me to put 2 on the back of this. Can you see the little hexagon piece on the back? Those mean dimensionals. Here. And then on the back of hugs, I'm going to put one down here. And one here. And then it wants me to take my snips and cut one in half. So I'll pull it out. I guess this is not for somebody that has dexterity issues. So this goes on the top of the H. And this piece goes on the bottom of, I guess it's the, is it S? Is that right? Yep. Okay. I'll pull the backs off. Hugs goes down first. Right like this. And then I'm here for you. Goes across the bottom, like so. So there's card number 1. Okay, card number 2. Is this one with the pretty scenery on it. Now I will caution you when I pull this out to be very, very careful, because these little delicate pieces could be very easy to rip. So it wants me to put butterflies. I'm going to put this down without putting it down so I can tell where the butterflies need to go. So it wants me to put the 2 butterfly piece stamp here, and the 1 butterfly here. I just didn't want to mess that up. And while I have that out, now I can stamp the sentiment, thinking of you. So this, you really need to line up. Make sure it's good and inked. Move that out of the way or I'll get my hand in it. If I have my head in the way, I'm sorry. I'm trying to line this up as best I can. And I'm not going to press too hard because I did pick up a little bit of ink when I inked up. Alright, it came out pretty good. Get my dimensionals out, and it has everything flipped over. And then 4 across the bottom. 1, 2, 3. It's not an exact science, I'm just approximating. And then it has 1 in each of the center of these flowers. Go slow so that it doesn't show in the front. And then here. And here. And that's all I see. So we'll pull our card front down again. Pull off the backings carefully so we don't rip any of this beautiful cutout. Like I said, it's very delicate, but it's a pretty card, so it'll be worth it. Alright, now this goes all the way at the bottom. So line up your sides. Like so. Whoops. Like I said, they're delicate. Okay. And then Thinking of You has 3. 1, 2, 3. Pop these off. And line it up in here. Alright. Card number 2. the third card, I have 2 pieces, and it wants me to stamp those butterflies again. And it has it going this way. Okay. So I'm going to ink up my little butterflies. And it has me putting, I guess it goes this way. So it has 2 butterflies in the, I don't know if that's peach pie or pecan pie, not pecan, pumpkin. I'll put 2 down there. And then this little one goes up here, like so. And then our little banner has congratulations. Gonna line that up just right. Thankfully these are clear, so you can line it up pretty well. And then you are amazing, and I forgot to pull out the piece. Hold on. Just one of these straight ones. And I'll put it on the back of this one. You are amazing. Alrighty. Now, we're going to add our dimensionals to the back of these. So there's 1 on the back of this. 3 on the back of this. 1, 2, 3, and 2 on the back of this one. 1 on either end. Okay. So here's the card front. And first, we'll put this down. This little gold. To me, when I looked at it, it looks like the little snitch from Harry Potter. Is that what it's called? I think that's what it's called. And then this goes over it. Congratulations. And then this goes over congratulations. Alright, forgot to close my ink. So here are our 3 cards. 1, 2, 3. Aren't those pretty? Alright, I'm doing a Zoom on Sunday evening at 7. If any of you would like to join me to assemble these, please let me know. Until then, happy stamping.